Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss different type of inheritance and the rules of inheritance. This is the first one, that is single inheritance. So what is single inheritance? Suppose this is demo 1. This is demo 2. So here this is demo 1 parent and this is demo 2 child. One parent and one child. One child is extending one parent and the parent has only one child. This is called single inheritance. Now we will see with the code. It is permitted in Java that one child has one parent. Now we will take a method public void dog. Okay. Another child class. Okay. I will give a I will not give anything. I will call demo 2. Now we will call d dot dog. Now we will print. Now I will run the code. So the output is dog is barking. Why? We haven't write anything in demo 2, but also that output is coming because there is a parent-child relationship. When we called demo 2, then it will go from here to here. So now it will print this. That is dog is barking. Okay, this one is the rule 1. We will discuss the rule 2 in the next class. So thank you.